Today, we have a never-before-seen floor plan here on our full-size reflection line that I am super excited to give you guys a peek at. It is a proto that I'm going to walk through today, so there are going to be a couple changes, which I'll hit on as we go through this. To start though, this reflection comes standard with our CRE 3000 suspension, as well as ABS and TPMS. All right, I'm here in the bedroom of the 350 RDS. In here, we do have washer and dryer prep right here in this closet. In this closet, tons of storage for clothes, shoes, etc. We have storage underneath the bed here, so tons of storage right under there. We also do have in here a shelf for either your phone, your CPAP, whatever you want next to you. There's outlets right here as well. And then one of the changes that we're gonna have in this unit is there is this dresser, which is awesome, but we're actually gonna add 2 more drawers in here. So another bank of drawers. So this will come up a little bit higher. And we're actually gonna raise these windows up just a little bit so that they feel a little more level while you're standing. Okay, this is the bathroom in this reflection. You can see lots of space in the shower, shelves to be able to store shampoo, conditioner, and then you have a bigger shelf back here, which I love, great for helping shave your legs or store other shampoo and conditioner in here. Then on this other side, this is one of the coolest things. I love this backlit mirror in here. Just looks really nice and high end. There is one change that we are going to make in this bathroom, and that is these drawers next to the toilet. We are going to change those out. So you'll see that updated in future editions of this floor plan. All right, now I'm here in the kitchen, and this kitchen has a ton of storage. There's a lot of storage within here. You've got a nice farmhouse sink. Over here, this is going to be a pull-out trash can right here. So you've got designated trash, utensils already automatically done for you in here. And then what I love is this pantry. It has automatic lighting, so it turns on as you open the door so you can see what you're looking for. The shelves are adjustable, and there is also an outlet in there. All right, for dining in here, we've got this awesome dinette. The really cool thing about this dinette is right now it's configured to seat 4 people. We've got the bench seat over there, we've got 2 chairs here, but this actually also turns into a desk. And here now you can see this configured as a desk, so this can become a workspace as needed. And wait, because I'm gonna show you where the bench went from the bench seat on this in just a second. Okay, my absolute favorite part of this rig is this living room. This living room is huge. This is a massive L-shaped sofa in here. If you notice this ottoman, this is actually the bench from the dining table. So it slides over here and functions as an ottoman. And then my favorite part is gonna be this area up here. I love the fireplace, but this TV, this is a 65-inch TV, which just tells you about the space in here. This area becomes perfect for entertaining. Thanks for joining me today for a sneak peek of our newest floor plan, the Reflection 350 RDS. If you want to learn more, check it out on our website at www.granddesignrv.com.